In this video, we will show you how to add audio to Google Slides. To add audio to Google Slides, first, you need to create your audio, and I suggest you to using .mp3 extension or .wav. And after that, you can upload first your audio. Let's create a blank presentation and open in the new tab drive.google.com, and you can upload your audio here. Okay, this is my audio. I have two audio and using mp3 extension, and after all audio is completed upload, we need to wait first. Okay, here is already uploaded. Then back to your presentation on Google Slides. After that, you can add or insert audio by clicking insert and choose in here audio. And this is the audio file that you already upload on your Google Drive. After that, you can just clicking the audio and click select. Your audio will appear in here. Okay, you can set the audio playback play automatically, and or just on click. In here I set with on click, and you can also make the audio loop if you want. And this is, you can adjust the volume whenever your audio is play. To play your audio, you can just hover on your audio in here, and clicking this will play your audio. Okay, you can see the audio is playing. Okay, the audio is playing and it works. And that's all tutorial how to insert audio to Google Slides. Hope this video helpful for you.